Good morning, guys. Morning from Melaka, which is like a city just 2 hours and just 2 hour drive from Kuala Lumpur, which is quite different from the city itself because it's much smaller. You cannot find a lot of skyscraper like in Kuala Lumpur. So let's first talk how to get here. So my advice for you it will be to just take a bus from TBS, which is like the principal terminal. You can find all the buses for all different destinations. But my advice for you would be to not wait in a queue for the counter and instead go for the ticket machine, which not many people use. I don't know why, probably because they don't really know how to use it. So I would just suggest to go to the ticket machine. You can buy the ticket there. It's pretty easy, as well as just get to the gate of the bus as well. It can be very easy. In You can buy the ticket there and just get to the gate. You find all the information inside the ticket, and also it's just 2 hour drive, so it's a pretty easy ride. But another advice for you would be to just get there early in the morning, because I got there at 9 and everything all it was all sold out. The only ones left was at 11 a.m. And so yeah, just bear in mind that everything gets sold out pretty quickly. So you can also maybe think about booking ahead online or just get there early morning.
Nestled in the heart of Melaka Chinatown, Jonker Walk, or also referred as Jonker Street, is an iconic destination that encapsulates the vibrant spirit of the city. If you come here in the evening during a weekend, it transforms into a vibrant open-air night market, but even during the day, it still remains a perpetually busy and lively street. Jonker Walk is more than just a street, it's an experience in itself. Whether you're here to serve delicious cuisine, picking up a souvenir, or just simply soaking the lively atmosphere,
You can really feel in the atmosphere and the vibe how different it is in respect to Kuala Lumpur. Here you can actually really feel the influence of the Portuguese, which colonized this area or this city, especially in the Dutch Square, and where all like the buildings. There is like a church which it's update up until 1752 or 1753, something like that. And actually, a fun fact: this is actually called the Venice of Asia, because the canal or the river cross all the city, and like you can grab a water taxi just like in Venice to get to the different point around the city.
now, a visit to Melaka is not complete without visiting the emblematic Dutch Square, also referred to as Red Square. It's no more than 5 minutes from Jonker Walk, and it's a real melting pot of culture, architecture, and history. Besides its emblematic red building, this area is often bustling with a lot of activities, street art performance, and the color tree show that you can find alongside the streets.
And another thing that I do really like here is how vibrant in the color there it is, and how you can find a lot of murales and graffiti all around it, which makes it really fun city and actually pretty young, despite the fact that it's such an old city.
Melaka's charm isn't confined to just historical landmarks, but it also boasts a vibrant street art scene that breathes life and color into the city. And you can just wander around and take your time to explore, snap some pictures. Another great way to experience Melaka's unique blend of history, culture, modernity is actually taking a river cruise on the Melaka River. It will offer you a fresh and unique perspective that you will not have by walking around, and you can just purchase the ticket for a Melaka River cruise on the ticket counters near the boarding judges. And if walking around for a few hours you start to feel hungry or just want to rest, you can head back to Jonker Walk, which is dotted with charming cafes and restaurants offering a variety of cuisine.